Are you tired of being stuck in traffic? Do you wish there was a smarter, more efficient way to get around? Well, have no fear, because today's video is all about intelligent transportation systems. That's right, we're diving into the world of IoT and how it's revolutionizing the way we move. From traffic monitoring to vehicle-to-vehicle communication, we'll be exploring the latest and greatest technology that's making our roads and highways smarter than ever before. But wait, there's more. We'll also be discussing the potential impact of self-driving cars and trucks, and how they could transform the transportation industry as we know it. And, of course, we'll be touching on the ever-important topic of sustainability and how IoT is being used to reduce the environmental impact of transportation. So, buckle up and get ready for a ride through the world of intelligent transportation systems. Trust us, you won't want to miss a single second of this informative and, dare we say, witty video. So stick around until the end, and let's hit the road. Intelligent transportation systems, or ITS, are changing the way we move around our cities and highways. By integrating cutting-edge IoT technology, ITS are making transportation more efficient, more sustainable, and more accessible for everyone. But what exactly are ITS, and how are they transforming the transportation industry? That's what we'll be exploring in this video. Through a mix of informative analysis and witty commentary, we'll take a deep dive into the world of ITS and their impact on transportation. First, we'll define what ITS are and how they work. We'll provide examples of its applications such as traffic monitoring, vehicle-to-vehicle communication, and smart parking systems, and explain how they are helping to improve the flow of traffic, reduce congestion, and make transportation safer and more reliable. Next, we'll dive into how ITS are revolutionizing the transportation industry. We'll highlight some of the most innovative projects currently underway, including self-driving cars and connected infrastructure, and discuss how these advancements could transform the way we move around our cities and highways. We'll also explore the potential impact of ITS on society. From changes in urban planning to new job opportunities, ITS are poised to have a profound impact on the way we live and work. But we'll also address concerns around the impact of ITS on employment and privacy, and discuss how we can work to ensure that ITS are developed and implemented in a responsible and equitable way. Finally, we'll touch on the topic of sustainability and ITS. By reducing the environmental impact of transportation through the use of electric vehicles and optimizing energy usage in transportation systems, ITS are helping to create a more sustainable future. Overall, this video will provide a comprehensive overview of the world of intelligent transportation systems and their impact on the transportation industry. Intelligent transportation systems, ITS, are a collection of technologies and services that leverage the power of the Internet of Things, IoT, to improve transportation efficiency and safety. ITS are used to monitor, manage, and control transportation networks, vehicles, and infrastructure. They use a combination of sensors, communication technologies, and data analytics to collect and process real-time data about traffic flow, vehicle location and behavior, weather conditions, and other factors that affect transportation. One example of its application is traffic monitoring. Traffic monitoring uses sensors and cameras to collect data on traffic flow, speed, and congestion. This information is then used to optimize traffic signal timing, adjust travel routes, and alert drivers to potential traffic incidents. Its traffic monitoring systems can also help to improve public safety by identifying potential accident hotspots and detecting reckless driving behavior. Another example of its is vehicle-to-vehicle communication, V2V. V2V technology enables vehicles to communicate with one another in real time, sharing information about their location, speed, and direction of travel. This allows vehicles to avoid collisions, maintain safe following distances, and reduce congestion on the roads. V2V can also help to improve public safety by alerting drivers to potential hazards, such as slippery roads or road closures. Smart parking systems are another example of its application. Smart parking systems use IoT sensors to detect the availability of parking spots in real time. This information is then transmitted to drivers, allowing them to quickly find available parking spaces. Smart parking systems can reduce congestion, improve air quality by reducing the number of vehicles searching for parking, and reduce the time and fuel wasted by drivers looking for parking. Overall, ITS are a powerful tool for improving transportation efficiency and safety. By leveraging IoT technology to collect and analyze real-time data about traffic flow, vehicle behavior, and other factors, ITS can help to optimize transportation networks, reduce congestion, improve public safety, and create a more sustainable future. Intelligent transportation systems, ITS, offer a range of benefits for transportation networks, including improved efficiency, reduced congestion, and increased safety. By leveraging IoT technology to collect and analyze real-time data about traffic flow, vehicle behavior, and other factors, it can help to optimize transportation networks and make them more effective. One of the key benefits of ITS is improved efficiency. By providing real-time data on traffic flow and congestion, ITS can help transportation operators to adjust routes and schedules in response to changing conditions. This can help to reduce travel times, improve on-time performance, and increase overall efficiency. Another benefit of ITS is reduced congestion. By providing drivers with real-time information on traffic flow and congestion, ITS can help to reduce bottlenecks and improve the flow of traffic. This can help to reduce congestion, improve air quality, and reduce fuel consumption. In addition, ITS can also help to increase safety. By providing real-time data on vehicle behavior and road conditions, ITS can help to identify potential hazards and alert drivers to potential risks. This can help to reduce accidents, improve public safety, and reduce the number of fatalities on our roads. There are also a number of innovative ITS projects currently underway, including autonomous vehicles and connected infrastructure. Autonomous vehicles use advanced sensors and data analytics to navigate the roads without human intervention. These vehicles have the potential to improve safety, reduce congestion, and provide more efficient transportation solutions. Connected infrastructure is another exciting area of its innovation. This involves the integration of IoT sensors and communication technologies into transportation infrastructure such as traffic signals, parking systems, and public transit. Connected infrastructure can help to improve traffic flow, reduce congestion, and provide more efficient and sustainable transportation options. Overall, ITS offer a range of benefits for transportation networks, including improved efficiency, reduced congestion, and increased safety. With exciting new projects underway, such as autonomous vehicles and connected infrastructure, the future of ITS is looking bright. Intelligent transportation systems, ITS, are not only helping to improve the efficiency, safety, and convenience of transportation, but they are also being used to reduce the environmental impact of transportation. Through the use of advanced technologies and data analytics, ITS is helping to promote sustainable transportation practices. One way ITS is reducing the environmental impact of transportation is through the use of electric vehicles, EVs. Electric vehicles are powered by electricity rather than gasoline or diesel, which means they produce fewer greenhouse gas emissions and air pollutants. ITS is supporting the adoption of EVs by providing charging infrastructure, real-time data on charging availability, and other services to promote the use of EVs. Another way ITS is promoting sustainable transportation is through the optimization of energy usage in transportation systems. This includes the use of smart traffic signals, which adjust signal timing based on real-time traffic flow to reduce congestion and minimize energy usage. ITS is also being used to optimize public transit routes and schedules, reducing the number of vehicles on the road and improving energy efficiency. While ITS has the potential to promote sustainable transportation practices, there are also concerns around the sustainability of these technologies. One concern is the potential for increased energy consumption, particularly in the case of connected infrastructure and autonomous vehicles. To address this concern, ITS must be designed to minimize energy usage and promote energy efficiency. Another concern is e-waste, which refers to the disposal of electronic devices and components. As ITS rely on a range of electronic components, there is a risk of increased e-waste if these technologies are not designed for recyclability and sustainability. To address this concern, ITS must be designed with the circular economy in mind, ensuring that components can be easily disassembled and recycled. Overall, ITS has the potential to promote sustainable transportation practices and reduce the environmental impact of transportation. By promoting the adoption of electric vehicles, optimizing energy usage in transportation systems, and addressing concerns around sustainability and e-waste, ITS can play a key role in creating a more sustainable future for transportation. Intelligent transportation systems, ITS, are constantly evolving and adapting to new technologies, and some of the latest advancements are in the areas of AI and machine learning. These technologies are helping to enhance the capabilities of ITS and improve their ability to analyze and respond to real-time data. One application of AI and machine learning in ITS is in the development of predictive analytics, which can help transportation operators to anticipate and respond to potential disruptions and issues before they occur. For example, predictive analytics can be used to forecast traffic patterns, identify potential accidents or road closures, and adjust routes and schedules accordingly. Well, that's it for today's video on intelligent transportation systems. We hope you found this informative and entertaining. As always, if you enjoyed this video, please like and share it with your friends and family. And if you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Don't forget to leave your comments below on what you thought of this video and what you'd like to see us cover in the future. Thanks for tuning in to TechNation, and we'll see you in the next video.